Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be installing some new lighting effects on our headlights. I picked up some strips that are going to go along the top of the headlight here on this little rubber piece. They're basically going to be like these strips that are inside of here, but they're going to be able to do all kinds of different color effects and different patterns and whatnot. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside this kit and get it installed.
Alrighty, so inside this kit you get the lights, and I actually went with the longer ones, the I believe 2 foot. You could get a little bit smaller, but I decided since you can cut it, I might as well go for the big ones because you can't really add any on there, but you can cut some off if you need to, fit them better. It comes with a remote, a little guide on how to use the remote, some adhesion promoter. It didn't come with any type of connectors, so I went out and bought some so we can put it on the posts of the battery. This actually also has a little installation guide on it, and it wants you to connect the yellow ones to the turn signals, but I'm not going to be using it for the turn signals. I just want the lighting effects, so we're not really going to do that. So yeah, we're just going to go straight to the ground of the battery over here, just like I have these other wires, and the red to the positive over here. And I'll probably do a little bit of cleaning up with some of this hose here, but let's go ahead and get the connectors on there and then get them installed. Don't forget to test the lights before you go through with the installation. You're going to take the black wire and connect it to the post first, just touch it on there, and then take the red wire, touch it on there, and look over at your LEDs to make sure that they're coming on. Now that we know that the lights are working, we can go ahead and figure out exactly how big we need to have them and where the placement will be. And it's actually nice, these come with a little connector that you can disengage so you can work with the light freely and not have to worry about the control box and all the wiring being in your way. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect these, clean up these areas, cut them down, get them installed, and then we'll take care of the wiring. Alrighty, we've got our connectors wired up, and since I'm not going to be using all of this yellow wiring, I'm actually going to cut it off somewhere about here. I'll leave a little bit just in case I do need to ever use it again, but since I don't plan on using the turn signals, just going to cut it off here and then wrap some electrical tape around it. This is wiring, so you don't want to just leave these ends, dangling and exposed, because you'll end up shorting this system out. So we'll go ahead and do that, get it all connected, and see what it looks like. Alrighty, now that we've got everything hooked up and in its spot, let's go ahead and make sure that the lights still work. So we'll go ahead and hit the power button. Kind of hard to see in the sunlight here, but they are working. We will come back at night and take a look at what all these things can do, but we just want to make sure everything is working before we close up. Let's go ahead and turn them back off and see what it looks like at night. Alrighty, now that it's dark outside, we can go ahead and see what these things really look like. Oh yeah, that's pretty sweet. We've got all these different modes that we can cycle through with the remote. Got some color fades, some follow the colors. You can turn it on a stationary color too if you want that. Just a solid one, and then you can go right back into the different modes. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. Kind of a rainbow follow effect. Oh yeah, I like that too. So yeah, it's got all these different functions, and if you're not using them, you just hit the power button and turn them right back off. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or about the lights, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below for some of these if you want to pick some up for yourself. Check out another video on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I hope to see you in my next one.